Hello everybody, today we're going to multiply mixed numbers. Now to multiply a mixed number, we need to convert it to an improper fraction. To do that, we need to multiply the denominator by the whole number and add it to the numerator. So in this case, 5 and 4/5, we're going to multiply 5 times 5 and add 4. And that's going to be our new numerator. So 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4 more is 29. So now 5 and 4/5 becomes 29/5. Then we're going to multiply that by 7, which is really 7 wholes or 7 ones. Now we just multiply the numerator by the numerator, and 29 times 7 is 203. And 5 times 1 is 5. Now we have an improper fraction, so now we got to change it back to a mixed number. So 203 divided by 5. Okay? 5 goes into 2 0 times. 5 goes into 24 times. 5 times 4 is 20. We subtract that 0. We bring down to 3. 3 goes into 5. 0 times, and then we have a remainder of 3, so we rewrite that as 3/5. So our answer is 40 and 3/5. Okay, let's take a look at our second problem. So our second problem is 3 2/3 times 5 1/7. So first we have to take 3 2/3 and 5 1/7 and change them into proper fractions. So 3 2/3 is going to be, we're going to multiply 3 times 3, add that to 2, and that's going to become our new numerator. So that's going to be 11 thirds. And then for 5 1/7, we have to multiply 7 times 5 and add 1 to it. So that's going to be 36 sevenths. Now we need to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Denominator is easy, right? 7 times 3 is 21. 36 times 11. So we're going to be a little more work. So we're going to multiply 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 6 is 6 again. And 1 times 3 is 3. And we're going to add this up. 0 plus 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. We have 396, so we have 396. We're not done because it's an improper fraction, so we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. 396 divided by 21. 21 goes into 3 0 times. 21 goes into 39 once. 1 times 21 is 21. Then we subtract. 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. That's 18. We check it. 18 is less than 21. Then we bring down the 6 and we'll repeat. 186. So then we have to divide 186 by 21. And that's going to go, I think, 8 times. Let's try that out over here. 21 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Yeah, it looks like it's going to work, so let's try that. So we put the 8 up here, we multiply 8 times 21, that's 168. We subtract 6 minus 8, we need to regroup for. 16 minus 8 is 8, 7 minus 6 is 1. We have a remainder of 18, which is less than 21. So our answer is going to be 18 and 18 21s, but of course we could simplify that. So we're going to divide both of these by 3, which is going to equal 6/7. So our answer is 18 and 6/7. Okay, now it's your turn to try it. Take your time and good luck. Thanks.